Hello. We are getting ready to start day 2 of lesson 18. So you have basically, you just need to follow what they're asking you to do on these 3 word problems. You're going to write an addition sentence that corresponds with the following number bond. Solve the problem using, and I really want to point this out, we did this yesterday. You need to solve these problems not using the vertical form, but using your place value discs on your place value discs on your place value chart to solve 45 plus 95. All right? And you're going to use your place value discs in this chart on each one of these problems, just like we did yesterday. There are 50 girls. This one requires cubes, of course. And read, draw, and write. There are 50 girls and 80 boys in the after-school program. How many children are in the after-school program? We have 50 boys and 50 girls and 80 boys. And we're trying to find out how many children are in the after-school program. If you want to use a number bond, that would be fine. But I would like to have you not put this in a vertical form, but rather solve it on your value with using your value discs and your place value chart. And the same thing with problem number 5, which is very similar to what we did yesterday on the word problem that we had for yesterday. So you really have 3 very easy problems today. And then you are going to use your place value chart and your place value discs to do the exit ticket and send that to your teacher for tomorrow. And I'm going to be really careful not to show you the answers to this one today. My bad from yesterday. Okay, so pause the video. Oh, if you're confused, you can always go back and watch the video from Eureka that we watched yesterday if you're still feeling lost, and hopefully that will help you feel more comfortable with what you're doing for today's lesson. All right, pause the video and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, here we are. We're back. So using this, using your place value discs, you should have discovered that 45 plus 95 is 140. If you do the exchanges that you needed to do with composing a 10 and composing 100. Here is the answer to number 4. Hopefully you used your place value discs to come up with 130. And remembering to use cubes for number 5. Your had 800, or excuse me, 30, oh brother mister, 83 plus 39 should be 122. If you did that with your place value discs, then you could write your answer that Stacy was right, because 122 is more than 120. All right, and then you are, look, I did a good job this time. I covered up my answers to the exit ticket. So once you've done that, please use your place value chart and your value discs to work these 4 problems and send them to your teacher. This was a very short lesson today because most of it was explained yesterday, and you have yourself a great day of learning.